So I'm sitting in my car, I'm at work, I've got a few minutes before I go back, but we need to get going, get moving, you know, limber up. So this is the kind of music you want to listen to. We'll have some more of that later.